For each question in this part, you will hear then find the number of the question on your. Look at the example item below. Now, listen to the look at the example. Statement C.
They're sitting at a table. One of the men is writing on a document.
B. 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test carpet. Statement C.
They're sitting at a table.
Number 7.
Do you want some coffee while you wait?
A. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation. A.
In Düsseldorf, Germany.
A.
In Düsseldorf, Germany.
B.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
A.
In Düsseldorf, Germany.
Where will the conference be held this year? Where will the conference be held this year?
B.
Sorry, I can't lend it to you.
B.
Sorry, I can't lend it to you.
B.
Sorry, I can't lend it.
Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. Look at the picture marked A.
One of the men is writing.
B.
One of the men is checking his watch.
C.
One of the men is
D. Look at the picture marked number 2 A.
They're hanging a picture on a wall.
A.
They're hanging
A.
They're,
B.
They're
C.
They're open.
Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'm calling about renting a furnished.
Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'm calling about renting a furnished apartment from your agency. Hello, I'm calling. I'll be in Kiev for 2 months on business.